Yeah, so now so reveal the secret about YouTube.
Yeah. I'm going to reveal a secret about YouTube.
There's a lot to
talk about.
Yeah, we need to talk about and let you. It's a plug, eh?
Yeah.
They call it a plug.
Yeah.
It's a plug.
Plug in. Communicate.
Suspecting. Done.
For the day.
We're done
We're done for a day, guys.
with the gym.
Yeah, smoothies. Let's see.
It's no, we focus. Yeah, so now so reveal the secret about YouTube.
Yeah. I'm going to reveal a secret about YouTube.
There's a lot to
talk about.
Yeah, we need to talk about and let you. It's a plug, eh?
Yeah.
They call it a plug.
Yeah.
It's an plug.
Plug in.
All right.
Bye, guys. Morning, guys.
Unique. Yeah, still the morning.
Yeah, guys, we have freshened up.
Yeah, from the gym.
From the gym, yes, guys. As we said that we have a secret.
By the way, hello Vlogtober.
Yes, guys. Welcome to Vlogtober.
Yeah, I think many of you will be surprised we're entering again.
Again and again.
Swimming with the sharks again. We swam with the sharks last year.
Last year.
It was our first.
Yeah.
We didn't know much about it.
Yeah.
But
it was fun.
It was.
Yeah.
We learned a lot.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, Vlogtober.
Content creating wise, it really develop your skill.
Exactly.
Vlogtober really helps in that manner, and we might get 1 or 2 subscribers. But guys, as you mentioned, just about that one, I mentioned the subscribers because basically that's what you want to plug your own. You mentioned when you came from the gym, that there's this elephant in the room. I can see the more.
Yeah, guys. We recently okay, guys. Maybe let me take you back.
Before we recently find it.
We have posted a video about how much we get paid on YouTube, and which wasn't what we expected, but your comment, guys, helped us a lot. One of our comments, I think it was Colin Kosi, and then stated that we must market. He put that word market ourselves on other social media.
On all social media.
Oh, social network.
In all social media. We just market ourselves.
Yeah.
Because we were asking for guys to share our videos, so we can be out there, people can know about us as well, and subscribe. But I think basically we were just asking about that. And then she suggested that we just market ourselves across the platform to all social media.
Yeah, that's true. Sorry guys about the noise.
I know.
You know the kids.
They're done with the writing, so now they're enjoying themselves. But so she mentioned that, and then we took her advice and we
started researching.
Brought it into terms that every business needs marketing.
Yes, and our channel is more like a YouTube business.
So we say every business needs marketing, and she's right about that. We're just unfortunate that we did not have YouTubers like other YouTubers that
get announced and announce.
So we're unfortunate that we didn't find that opportunity, but we started researching, and then we found
how can we improve
market ourselves. Because we're like a business. Every business needs marketing. So that's how we approached it. And then we found
YouTube promotions.
There's this thing that I think it's new on YouTube. I think many influencers and YouTubers, they know about it. It's just that they don't mention it, because I don't think there's maybe overseas. I think they touch based on it just a little, not like in depth.
When we were researching.
They touch a bit, but I think it's overseas YouTubers, they touched on it. So those ones that like talks about new things that
are coming up
on
YouTube.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So yeah, so we researched and they said no, let's try it out, and we did try it out. It's just that I think other YouTubers, South African YouTubers know about it.
And
it's just that they're not talking about it.
They're not talking about it.
Yeah, they're not talking about it. So we felt that if you are a person that's like us, you are in our
experience, what we experience, you know, you're doing your best in your whatever you think you're doing.
Yes, but you're not seeing the growth. So like it's this what Oli just mentioned. Market yourself across. Oli, we really thank you for that. Because if you didn't mention that, we would have not bothered try to research. So really, thank you for that. So we researched and then we found this. It's called YouTube promotions. If you go onto your YouTube studio, you'll find it there. It's written promotion. I don't know whether you need to be monetized or I'm not too sure. But everyone can check. Go onto your YouTube studio. You'll find something that says promotion. It's there. It's like
bold,
video.
like bold.
Yeah.
You can find it.
You will see it's one of the headers there on your YouTube studio. It's written promotion. You just click on it and then you say new promotion, whatever video you want to promote on your channel, and then you select that video, you select the title, the description, what so forth, and then you select the countries that you want to promote it on. For an example, United States, Canada, all those English countries, because we selected English countries because mainly that's what we speak in our channel. We might use our language. I don't know if that offends other people, but if it does, please comment below. We'll refrain from using our language, but
we'll put subtitles below.
Or something like that.
I think some of our videos do have subtitles.
I don't know. I'm not sure. So you go to promotion and then you select the countries and then they will say, and then I think it costs from 100 rand upwards. So they will tell you if you try putting 300 rand, they will tell you videos that promote themselves for 600 rand tends to do well. So when we saw the pop-up, we optioned for it and then we added another 300 rand, so it came up to 600 rand, and then you follow the steps and then it gets stored there under promotion. Then YouTube will go over that video like the normal checks. When you're uploading a video, so they will check it if they approve it, and then they will start promoting you to those countries that you've selected. Because I think you can select about 8 countries.
And it take about a day or 2 days for them to promote your video.
Yes, because it
doesn't get right along.
Yes, it will write their pending, and then it will say active if they approved it, and then maybe the following day then they will start recommending to other people.
Because I think some have already seen it. I think it's those ones when you open your YouTube, it's written at the end. It's written ads when you open your YouTube. It's there by the corner. It's the first one that comes up, and
it has a bold. It's written ad. Yes. Then you know that's the video. That's
a promotional video.
So it's like YouTube pushing you to other people, basically. Not for free now, you pay for it. So that is how we do it.
I think it's a good investment because it's pushing you to other channels. You get subscription, you get views, and then you can get that money to push it even more.
Push your content.
Even more.
Promote your content.
Because you get paid on YouTube.
And you get an opportunity to be seen abroad. Exactly. So because you will select countries that not only South Africa, but outside South Africa. So your content gets to be exposed elsewhere. So that's a great opportunity about this. About this is a great idea about the great thing about this.
And it works, guys. For us, it did work for us,
works,
and we were happy with the results.
So when we saw the results, we said no, let's just be guinea pigs first.
Yeah.
And then we can share it. So now
I think we shared it twice. Sorry, we did it twice. Yeah, and it
twice.
works.
It works. It does work. Did it the first time and said it was a fluke. We did it the second time, and then we said I know it works. So let's just share it with the community, guys. And if you find this working for you, comment below.
Yeah, if you have tried it.
If you have tried it, comment below. And then send the super thank.
Yeah. Super thanks, guys.
A plug for free. Deserves a super thanks.
Yeah, guys.
So we just wanted to tell you all about this, guys. Basically. We just wanted to share this information to those channels that are finding it difficult, we were finding it difficult after we come across this YouTube ad. So we just want for those as well to maybe try it and see if it works for them as well. So a plug, Okay, so guys, I think we'll close
I think we'll close today's video. We are in Vlogtober, guys. We'll post whenever we can. So put this notification bells on.
Yeah, keep them on, guys. As you know, we have a 9 to 5, so very difficult for us to like
every day, you know.
From day 1 to the 30th. I don't know how many days.
31st.
So 31st. So it's very difficult. So we'll post as we can, guys, because of our 9 to 5. Unfortunately. We have not escaped, but working towards it. So keep that bell notification so you know when we post.
That's true,
and
guys.
Don't forget to
subscribe
and like. Very important.
If that button is still red, please make it grey.
Yes.
Make it grey, guys.
We don't want that red for danger.
Guys. Okay. So we'll see you in the next video, guys.
Okay.
Bye.